In this video, we're diving into something extra special today, the glorious world of biryani. There will be laughs, information, and history discussed. Let's get to it.
Your ears must have been on fire.
I'm sure can all speak to
Called Table Talk, which aimed to connect culture and food to the community. And we made our very own biryani spice blend to take home and attempt ourselves, which I am doing here or adjusting my camera to do here in this clip. We discussed the history behind the dish, spices, and types of biryani worldwide. I didn't even know there were different types of biryani. The setting was very cultural and natural. There was this extremely fragrant and tantalizing smell in the air of the most mouth-watering biryani I have ever had. We were told that the key to a perfect biryani lies in the balance of the spices, which I am touching, smelling, and tasting here. I'll walk you through the star players in your spice rack. Let me know in the comments if you have any of these spices already in your kitchen.
With a strong grater.
Have you ever wondered where the origins of biryani came from? The origins of biryani are as layered and complex as the dish itself. It's believed that biryani's roots trace back to Persian influences, especially through the word biryan, meaning fried or roasted, hinting at the technique of frying rice and meat before cooking. Persian traders and travelers likely brought this dish to India, but it was the Mughal Empire that truly made biryani an iconic dish. They added their own spices and perfected the art of dum cooking, creating a fragrant, slow-cooked masterpiece. This dish evolved regionally, with variations sprouting from the north to the south. Biryani was once considered the ultimate royal dish. Legends say that the creator of the Taj Mahal had his own special version served exclusively at the Mughal court. It wasn't just food, it was a symbol of luxury, crafted with the finest ingredients, often presented with an elaborate ceremony. The rich aroma and intricate layers of rice and meat were reserved for the highest echelons of society, truly fit for a king. If biryani were a celebrity, it would be the globe-trotting kind, always in the spotlight, constantly reinventing itself.
That's a Pretty Woman scene. Slippery little suckers.
Biryani is like a symphony of flavors, with each layer playing its part to perfection. Now let's break it down. Rice, the base note of our symphony. Long grain basmati rice is the foundation, fragrant and light, providing the right texture. It should be fluffy, each grain separate, but perfectly holding on to the flavors around it. Think of it like strings in an orchestra, delicate but essential to carrying the melody. 2. The powerful lead instrument, meat. Whether it's chicken, mutton, beef, or even vegetarian variations, the meat is marinated with a blend of yogurt and spices, soaking up all that magic. It's the brass section, bold and commanding attention, but it also needs to harmonize with the spices to create that unique depth of flavor. 3. Spices. The woodwinds and percussions, where the rhythm and soul come in. Spices like cumin, coriander, cloves, cinnamon, and cardamom bring warmth, complexity, and richness to this dish. And the layering of these spices is what gives biryani its signature flavor, a sweet, savory, and aromatic kick. Every bite feels like a crescendo, building and building in intensity. And for the finale, the garnishes. Crispy fried onions, fresh coriander, mint leaves, and a squeeze of lime provided a burst of freshness and texture that wraps everything up like the final flourish of a symphony. It's the applause at the end, leaving you with a lingering, satisfying note. And now it is time to actually eat this biryani in this next clip. Check it out.
Who's going to be alright? Go ahead. No, you go. Okay, are all the mixers ready with their spoons? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Great unveiling.
Okay, so
Not from the middle.
are you gonna? But then,
So you take it, yeah, like this, and then bring it to like this, and try to scoop it from the bottom, so that all the.
It smells amazing. As soon as you cracked it open.
How are we looking? Right.
I like it as a condiment. Some people add it on top. I would suggest just take a little bit of it with every bite. It's meant to like cool down, but the biryani itself is not spicy. I don't have to. I'm not a fan of it.
You eat it with spoon or with fork?
You'll need a spoon, I think, for the raita. I'm a spoon person. Trish is a fork person.
Very good.
Delicious. Very good.
Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Yeah. Delicious.
Would you typically eat this with a knife and fork, or would you eat this with your hands and bread? Yes. Rice tastes so much better with your hands.
I can show you if you want how we eat it. You take from this.
Yeah? Oh, really? So what's the verdict? Because I'm used to.
That's why we have the.
So wait, with the hand, even if you put the yogurt?
I can't. I'm lost. To do that. I did. I'm not happy to say it, but I lost it.
And then it's gonna make my finger.
You get all of that. Oh my god, chicken bones reminded me of. So a few days ago, you made something with
You yell at another for eating with your hands.
Sadia bought something to cook up that had chicken bone with it. And we were all kind of standing around eating around lunchtime. And then instinctively, without even thinking about it, I started to chew on the chicken bone, which is something I would do at home. And I thought, that's real intimacy, you know? When you can chew chicken bones together. That is intimacy for me.
Oh yes.
It is good then.
Or just lick your
10 out of
finger.
10. Really?
Definitely.
But it is a little spicy.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Yes, 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 yes. We are so on.
Yeah, I love the spiciness.
It's delicious. Like,
You guys are not getting into the whole mood.
Let me know.
true.
That's right.
Mikey, you'll be very proud of me.
It's so good.
Only one.
I decided to take the advice from everyone around me and to start eating with my hands. This is something that we are not used to in Western culture, but it makes the experience and the food taste so much better.
Awesome over here, I'll try to catch.
Today, the world is seemingly divided. An event like this brought a community and village aspect to the evening. And I'll end the video with a few clips, because what is an event without photos? See you in the next video.